डिपार्टमेंट वाले कोई है ये पानी से या पानी
Good morning, sir. My name is Abhijit Das, video fire editor. Good morning, sir. My name is Manas Morasi, Block Development Officer.
Good morning, sir. I am Indrajit Bhomik, Executive Engineer, RD, Telemura and Pi Division.
I came here to just interact with the district officials regarding the developmental programs, what is going on, because central government it is taking lot of interest for upliftment of the poor and downtrodden. So in that regard, what is happening, just in fact the officers are quite good, and particularly they have taken initiative for eradicating child marriages. I am very happy knowing that project. Thank you.